Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 20th of March 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a negative note today. Nifty opened slightly down around 17,066 and then it started falling. Overall the markets looked negative today. At the time of close, Nifty gained failed to close above 17,000 mainly due to negative global sentiments. Similarly, Sensex shed 361 points to give a closing of 57,628. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in red with Nifty Metals emerging as top loser with loss of 2.35%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today: Hindustan Unilever, BPCL and ITC. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 2.51%. 2.22% and 0.85% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Bajaj Finserv, Adani Enterprises, and Bajaj Finance. They fell within the range of 2.97% to 4.21% respectively. For the corporate segment we have RBI imposes 5 rupees lakh penalty. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of 5 rupees lakh on the company for non-compliance with certain housing finance directions issued by the National Housing Bank. Subsidiary NFASL's board approves capex of 450 rupees crore. NAVIN Fluorine Advanced Sciences, a subsidiary of NAVIN Fluorine, said its board approved a capital expenditure of 450 rupees crore for setting up a 40,000 ton per annum hydrofluoric acid capacity at Dahej. HAVELLS commences commercial production of air conditioners at Sri City plant. The electric equipment maker began commercial production of air conditioners at its Sri City plant on March 17. In July 2022, the company has announced setting up a new facility at Sri City in Andhra Pradesh. SKF India to acquire 26% stake in Clean Max Tyre. The automotive and industrial engineered solutions company has agreed to make an investment in renewable energy company Clean Max Tyre by acquiring its 2,600 fully paid-up equity shares, equivalent to 26% shareholding. Tata Consumer not to acquire Billari, ceases talks. The Tata Group company has ceased negotiations with Billari for a potential transaction and confirmed that the company has not entered into a definitive agreement or a binding commitment on the matter. GARWARE Technical Fibres to acquire stake in TP Basker Renewables. GARWARE Technical Fibres has entered into an agreement with solar power generation company TP Basker Renewables to acquire its 26% equity shares for 4.5 rupees crore. 3 Realty major plans to invest around 3,500 Indian rupees crore over the next 4 years to construct a new luxury housing project in Gurugram as it seeks to tap strong demand for residential properties. NCLT approves scheme of amalgamation between Dr. Lal PATHLABS and subsidiary. The National Company Law Tribunal's Ahmedabad bench has sanctioned the scheme of amalgamation between Dr. Lal PATHLABS and APL Institute of Clinical Laboratory and Research, a wholly owned subsidiary of Dr. Lal PATHLABS. For stocks to watch, we have ITC looks good on current market price of 378.75. It can be bought at 375 rupees, keeping target of 430 rupees with stop loss of 330. Asian Energy Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 89.35 points with a change of 9.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 546,000 shares. The share price is trading below its moving average 82.75, which indicates that investors need to be cautious. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Neeraj Cement Structure Limited in daily time frame is trading at 27.1 points with a change of 7.33% and is trading with a net volume of around 8,000 shares. The share price is trading below its moving average 27.45. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 44.39. Biophil Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading at 44.85 points with a change of 8.2%, and is trading with a net volume of around 63,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 43.45. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 47.26, which is above RSI benchmark, indicating that the stock is around oversold region. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.